Apa dia?
Purple sebab baju saya warna purple.
Okey,
Mm-mm.
purple. Okey, baca.
Mama suruh pakai baju macam ni sebab saya tengah gegata.
Okey. Okey, baca.
Mm-mm. The treasure hunt.
A treasure hunt. Good job. 2 boxes. Done now. Next.
Omar opened the old box
Opened.
slow. Opened it. Opened it. The
Opened.
old box. Opened it.
Bukan opened. Opened.
Opened it.
Okay.
Old box slowly.
Okay, good job. Omar opened the old box slowly. 2 boxes. Next.
Inside the box was an old man.
Inside the box, an old map. Okay, another 2 boxes. Next.
It was a treasure map.
It was a treasure map. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Next.
Yep. Okay. He remembered grandfather telling him a story of buried treasure somewhere on their land.
He remembered grandfather telling him a story of buried treasure somewhere on their land. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Next.
He visioned
He
himself.
visioned.
He visioned
Okay.
himself with the treasure.
He visioned himself with the treasure. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Next.
Gold coins and jewels.
Jewels. Gold coins and jewels. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Alright, finish.